Cardano is testing a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see from yesterday's video, we were testing these exponential moving averages as resistance, and I mentioned the fact that we could possibly be looking for a major retest at the support level here at 30 cents. You can see we saw a beautiful formation and a continuation, and now currently we did see a clean break of the support level here at 30. In yesterday's video, I mentioned the fact that this 30-cent support level really doesn't act as a strong support on Cardano anymore because of the fact that we have tested this level multiple times already. You guys already know the more times a support level is tested, the less likely it is to hold. Now, ideally, what we're looking for, of course, on Cardano is a possible retest around this 28-cent target. This has been my target for quite a while now because of the fact that this acts as a much stronger daily support. And what I'm looking for, of course, is if we do see a clean break of this formation, a strong V-shaped formation to continue pushing on higher. Of course, if this does act as another fake out opportunity and then we start to consolidate, we can still keep an eye on this 34-cent resistance level overall. But in my opinion, Cardano really isn't seeing that bullish momentum like we would like to see. You can see that we had multiple test opportunities to try to break above this 34-cent level. We had a beautiful V-shape here immediately after we rejected these exponential moving averages. And once again, Cardano had another chance opportunity of breaking above. This was when most of the cryptocurrencies were seeing some nice gains. You can see that the bulls failed to break above this level. Although we were using this level as support for the exponential moving averages, we were just not seeing that volume come in. I mentioned, of course, the fact that we could be looking for a massive fake out on Cardano for that continuation because of the fact that this was based off weekend trading volume. And you can see immediately after we saw the rejection candle and now below this major resistance level, of course. Ideally though, if you guys go look in the hourly time frame, you can see that pretty much how this pattern played out was almost perfect. We saw this little bar formation on the hourly as well, and we saw that confirmation, and then this was pretty much a continuation. In yesterday's video, I mentioned that as long as we trade below these exponential moving averages using them as resistance, this is an extremely bearish format. You can see once we saw that clean break of these EMAs, we pretty much started rejecting them, continuing pushing on forward. So this is a perfect example of why you don't counter trade these exponential moving averages. If we are using them as support, you pretty much use them as a long signal. And when we're using them as a resistance, you pretty much use them as a short signal. So ideally right now though, we could be expecting a bounce, of course, because of the fact that the RSI is in the oversold region on Cardano. I would be expecting something like this where we actually consolidate for a little bit, get a nice wick, and then that continuation. But of course, this is the hourly and it is extremely manipulated. You can see on the 4-hour time frames, we still have quite a ways to go. So don't let that fool you. Of course, if you are looking at the hourly RSI, focus on more on the 4-hour RSI. You can see that we are pretty much looking to retest this major support. Now, if we go here on the daily time frames, you can see that Cardano had a very beautiful fake out. We did get above the exponential moving averages, but immediately after we saw that nice wick, grab that liquidity, and now continue pushing on lower. So what I'm focusing more right now, of course, is that daily format. And let me just show you guys really quickly that daily support level on why I'm looking forward to that. You can see from previous price analysis, I've mentioned this to you guys many times. When you start looking at Cardano from the daily perspective, you can see that we tried to break above that 34-cent level multiple times immediately after we failed. And you can see we did get some retests on this 30-cent level, but which level was more tested? It was that 28-cent support level before this massive continuation on Cardano. Now, of course, if this 28-cent level is broken, then our major support here will be in terms of capitulation at the 13-cent level. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.